The Galaxy S24 Ultra will be Samsung's next flagship smartphone and is expected to be launched early next year. Months before its announcement, most of its features have been revealed through leaks and reports. A new rumor claims to reveal the Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera specifications, and Samsung could surprise its fans with its decision. Samsung's flagship Galaxy S series phones have offered a dedicated 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom over the past 3 years. The Galaxy S21 Ultra, Galaxy S22 Ultra, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra have a maximum of 10x optical zoom. However, Samsung might bring down that number, making its decision confusing. Tipster Ice Universe claims the Galaxy S24 Ultra features a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. It also reportedly features a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. If that is the case, we could see a downgrade from 10x optical zoom to 5x optical zoom on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The tipster claims the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 50-megapixel telephoto camera uses a 1x2.5 2-inch sensor. That's similar to the telephoto camera found on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. However, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra uses the same sensor for its 3.2 optical zoom camera. It means Samsung might no longer have the edge regarding zoom performance. However, it would only be fair to wait until the Galaxy S24 Ultra launches and check out its performance. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to feature a 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP2X primary camera sensor with OIS, a 12-megapixel ultrawide camera with autofocus, and a 12-megapixel selfie camera. It is rumored to feature a 6.8-inch Dynamic Amo-led 2X screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and 2,500 nits peak brightness, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 16 gigs of RAM, and up to 2 TB storage. It is powered by a 5,000 mAh battery that supports up to 45-watt fast charging. Other features could include a titanium frame, two-way satellite emergency connectivity, and an IP68 rating. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.